I have first name, last name, department name. This is called a drop-down list. Watch what I can do. Highlight the column, data, data validation, data validation, allow any value, list, type in the department names, separating them with a comma and a space, click OK, click in the cell, click the down arrow, choose what I want. And that's it. I want these names to be typed here in uppercase. Watch what I do. Equals UP, double click upper, click on that cell, close parentheses, enter, point to the bottom right corner, get the black cross, drag, release, and I'm done. And that's it. I need these names to be typed here, but all lowercase. Equal symbol, LOW, double click lower, click on the name, type in a closed parentheses, press enter, point to the bottom right corner, get the black cross, drag, release, done. I need these names to be typed here, but in the proper case. Click where you want your answer, equals, PROP, double click on proper, click on A2, close parentheses, enter, point to the bottom right corner, get the black cross, drag down, release, and that's it. I want to show the formulas, not just the answers. Step 1, click the down arrow, choose More Commands, choose All Commands, scroll down to the S's, double click Show Formulas, it adds it to the right, click OK. So watch this G column when I click this up here, Show Formulas. And if I want to show the answers, I click it again, and that's it. I want to find the unique values. Step 1, highlight my range of information, Home, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, Duplicate Values, Duplicate Unique, click OK, done. I want to create a chart. Step 1, highlight my data. On the keyboard I hit the function 11 key, F11. And that's it. So I highlight this information here, and then to make a chart I do F11, and I realized I've forgotten some information. So I go back to my chart, I highlight the information that I've forgotten, choose Home, Copy, click back on my chart, click Chart, Home, Paste, that information is added, and that's it. Notice here in the bottom left corner I have these arrows. And these are the arrows that I use to move through my worksheets. Watch what I can do. I point to these arrows and I right click with my mouse. It shows me the different sheets, and if I click one, it takes me there. Let's try that again. Right click, click on the sheet you want to go to, and that's it. To repeat the months, I can type in January, click on it, point to the bottom right corner, hold down my mouse and drag. It also works going down, and that's it. I want to repeat the days of the week. I type in Monday, click on it, point to the bottom right corner, drag release. It also works going down, and that's it. I want to repeat numbers, so I type in 1, I type in 2, I highlight both, point to the bottom right corner, drag down. Now notice it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I click this down arrow and I choose copy cells, then it repeats what I had, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's it. I want to list the years, so I type in 2012, 2013, highlight both of them, point to the bottom right corner, get the black cross, drag down, but notice it lists the years in order, or I can click the down arrow, choose copy cells, and it says 1213, 1213, 1213. And that's it. I copied this information from a Word document and I put it into Excel. And notice it brought over some extra spaces. Those extra spaces will keep me from sorting and filtering properly. How do I remove those spaces? Click where you want your answer, equals, TR, double click trim, click on A1, close parentheses, enter, and now point to the bottom right corner, get the black cross, drag, and notice Tim, Steve, Tanisha, the extra spaces have been removed, Maria as well. And that's it.